How to connect Nintendo Switch to DisplayPort monitor? Look, this is my Nintendo Switch dock. And this is my DisplayPort monitor. I can connect my Nintendo Switch dock to my DisplayPort monitor. How to make it? I would show you one by one. You need this one. CableCreation HDMI to DisplayPort adapter cable. CableCreation CD0764. Connect HDMI male port to the dock. Connect USB male port to the dock. Connect DisplayPort cable to the DisplayPort female port. Remember to set DisplayPort as the input source. Great, it works. Just feel free to connect HDMI to DisplayPort adapter cable to your Nintendo Switch dock, and then connect DisplayPort cable to your DisplayPort monitor. Thank you for watching. See you.